Are you looking for a way to monetize your knowledge and skills? Udemy is a popular online platform that allows you to create and sell your own courses on a wide variety of topics. Number 1. Create and sell your own course. The most direct way to make money on Udemy. Share your skills and experience with a global audience. Watch your course sales climb and student reviews pour in. Make a difference in the lives of your students by helping them learn new skills and achieve their goals. Number 2. Promote Udemy courses as an affiliate. Earn money by promoting Udemy courses on your blog or website. Earn a commission for each sale you generate. Experience the excitement of growing your affiliate income. Number 3. Offer support and consulting services. Earn additional income by offering support and consulting services to students who have purchased your course. Help your students get the most out of your course and achieve their goals. Feel a sense of pride and fulfillment as you see your students succeed. Number 4. Sell additional resources and materials. Monetize your Udemy course by selling additional resources and materials, such as workbooks or printable guides. Offer even more value as support to your students. Number 5. Create a membership site. Great option if you have a lot of content to share. Offer access to your content for a monthly fee. Provide ongoing support and guidance to your students. Number 6. Host webinars. Promote your Udemy course and offer additional value to your students. Experience a sense of accomplishment as you host a successful webinar. Number 7. Offer group coaching or group mentorship. Monetize your Udemy course by offering group coaching or group mentorship. Help your students apply what they've learned and provide additional support. Feel a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment as you see your students succeed. Number 8. Offer one-on-one coaching or consulting. Earn a higher fee for your time and expertise by offering one-on-one coaching or consulting. Provide personalized support and guidance to your students. Feel a sense of pride and accomplishment as you help your students succeed. Number 9. Partner with other instructors. Collaborate with other Udemy instructors to create and sell a course together. Expand your reach and income potential by tapping into the audiences of other instructors. Feel a sense of camaraderie and accomplishment as you work together to create a successful course. Number 10. Utilize Udemy's marketing tools. Udemy offers a variety of marketing tools to help you promote your course and reach a wider audience. Use these tools to your advantage to increase your course sales and income. Feel a sense of accomplishment as you see your marketing efforts pay off in the form of increased course sales. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.